Hi guys! Welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, I will guide you how to create a Shopify landing page with PageFly. So the first thing we want to do is head over to the PageFly dashboard. A regular page is a standalone page, a landing page or subpage used to create a marketing campaign or FAQ, about us, contact pages, etc. To create a landing page, navigate to the regular page list. I will click the blue button named Create a New Page here. Or click the link below if you want to start quickly with our templates. Here we are in the PageFly page editor. You can add elements in categories on the left-hand side to build the page. For example, go ahead to Regular Elements. On the search bar, search for the slideshow element. Drag and drop the element into the page editor. Under the slideshow, I want to add a collection section. Head over this category. In the collection suggestion list, drag and drop an option into the page editor. And finally, add a video. If you don't want to build the page from scratch, access PageFly template here. Pick one template you like and use it. If you are happy with the page, go ahead and publish it. Put the name of the page here. And check it in the live view. You can create a custom path URL for the regular pages in the page settings here. And you can also hide the header and footer on the page with the Page Layout tab. When a regular page is created, in Shopify Admin, under Pages section, the corresponding regular pages are also created. You can access PageFly regular pages here to set up pages SEO data. Because PageFly regular page is a standalone page. So when you publish it, it will not automatically show on your online store. You can link the page to Shopify menu navigation. Now I will show you how to do it. In the Shopify dashboard, go ahead to Navigation here. And click Main Menu. From here, we'll simply click Add Menu Item. Add the name for your navigation link. This is the page I want to link to the Shopify menu. So I will copy its URL and paste it here. And click Add. Once you're done, click Save Menu. Now I will go to the online store from here. You can see there is the link I just created on the menu navigation. Click this link. It will go to the landing page. This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach out to us via 24/7 at app live chat or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.